Okay, so today we are going to learn about product of prime factors in exponent form. Every composite number can be written as a product of prime number. Now there are two types of numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers. So today we are going to see that how can we convert a composite number into prime factors and then how to write that in an exponent form. So let's get started with an example. Suppose the number is 8. So what are the factors of 8? So I will just write down the factors of 8. So 4 times 2 is 8. Now I will mark this 2 with a circle because 2 is a prime number. Now again, if we divide 4, 4 can be further divided into 2 times 2. And now we will again circle the prime numbers. So we can write in short, 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. And as we know, 2 is repeated. 2 is repeated 1, 2, 3 times. So 2 raised to the power 3. Let's take one more example. Suppose the number is 360. Okay. So this is a composite number. We want to find the prime factors. So now when we divide 360, we get 36 times 10. Nor 36 is a prime number, nor 10 is a prime number. They both are composite numbers. So we go further. 36 comes to 6 times 6, which are again composite numbers. But 10 can be written as 5 times 2. Now, as we all know, 5 is also a prime number. 2 is also a prime number. So we circle that. Now, again, we go on this side and we can see that 6 can be further divided into 3 times 2. And this 6 can also be divided further into 3 times 2. And now we are going to circle all these things because even 3 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number. Same here, 3 and 2. Now, finally, we have converted all the composite numbers into the prime number. So we can write over here 360 is equal to 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 5 times 2. Okay, now let's do the grouping as we have seen in the previous video. So grouping will start with 2. So 2 is repeated 3 times. So 2 is repeated 3 times. 3 is repeated 1, 2 times. So 3 is repeated 2 times. And we have taken everything except for this 5. So 5 is repeated only 1 time. So 5. And this is your answer. So your answer is written as 2 raised to 3 times 3 raised to 2 times 5. Okay. Now one last example, say 54. So correct, we can divide this 54 into 2 parts. That is 9 times 6 is 54. Both are composite numbers. Go further. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. Cannot go further. Circle all these things because these are now prime numbers. And so we'll circle them and then go down and just write down that 54, the factors of prime factors of 54 are 3 times 3 times 3 times 2. And now start grouping. We have got 2 only 1 time. So 2 times 3 is repeated 3 times. So 3 is repeated 3 times. The order in which you write 2 times 3 raised to 3 or you write 3 raised to 3 times 2 doesn't make any difference, but it is better that I write I write it in the form of a descending order. Ascending order, sorry. Thank you.